just going to ask you each 2 sets of questions because I know my colleagues have questions to ask. Mr. Federico, for much of your career, you were tasked, as Senator Graham pointed out, with being a zealous advocate for the interests of your clients as an attorney in the Navy as well as a public defender. You have represented clients who've been accused of serious crimes. You've also prosecuted cases and served as a military judge presiding in over nearly a dozen cases. Can you say more about how your view about the role of a judge and how it differs from that of an advocate? And do you have any reservations about setting your personal views to the side when evaluating the facts or the laws as a judge? And talk a little bit about that difference of your past work, because you've been on, you get all the sides, and how you've been able to do that as a magistrate judge.
Thank you, Senator. I'll answer the second question first. I have absolutely no reservations or hesitations about setting aside my role as an advocate if and when I'm confirmed as a circuit judge. In fact, I've, as you noted, had that experience as a military judge. And so an advocate's job is to represent the interests of a client as zealously as you can within the bounds of the law. I have, of course, departed from that role as an advocate as a military judge, put on the robe, and assumed the bench. And just as if confirmed, I would have no hesitation to become a neutral arbiter of the issues and disputes before me. I've done that as a military judge, and I could do it again as a circuit judge.
Very good, thank you. Mr. Kohler, congratulations, Judge. I think we in Minnesota, we've had 2 magistrate judges since my tenure on this committee that have become federal judges. I think it's great experience. For one thing, you know the judges, and that helps. And you were appointed by the sitting district court judges and have presided over things like civil motions, criminal proceedings, settlement conferences. How has your experience as a magistrate judge informed your views of what you'll be like as a federal judge?
Senator, it's been an incredible honor to serve as a magistrate judge. As you indicated, it's an honor to serve the court and the judges of the court. And more specifically, I think it's prepared me very well for the role of circuit judge. I have cases that I have on consent where I've tried jury trials or decided other dispositive issues. I understand the civil docket and everything that goes into it in the discovery process. Obviously, I have vast experience in the criminal area as well, and that has allowed me to see cases from beginning to end and understand what the record is when you're then reading it kind of cold, if you will, from an appellate standpoint after having done appellate work as an assistant United States attorney. So it's prepared me well to understand the range of issues that come before federal courts and how that record is made and practical things to consider on appeal.
Thank you very much.
Senator Kennedy.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.